The 2024 Korean Kia K8 is a luxury sedan that blends advanced technology, premium comfort, and dynamic performance. It continues Kia's tradition of offering high-end vehicles at competitive prices while pushing the boundaries of design and innovation. The car features a bold and futuristic design with a signature tiger nose grille, sleek LED headlights, and a fastback-style silhouette. The aerodynamic lines and chrome accents enhance its road presence, making it a standout choice for those who appreciate style and sophistication. Under the hood, the Kia K8 comes with multiple engine options to cater to different driving needs. The base model is equipped with a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine producing around 195 horsepower, offering a balance between efficiency and performance. For those looking for more power, the 3.5-litre V6 engine delivers an impressive 296 horsepower, ensuring a dynamic driving experience. Some markets also offer a 1.6-litre turbocharged hybrid variant that provides excellent fuel efficiency while maintaining solid performance. The car features an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth gear shifts, and depending on the variant, it comes with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Inside, the Kia K8 provides a premium cabin with high-quality materials, advanced technology, and a spacious layout. The interior is designed to enhance both driver and passenger comfort with Nappa leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting that adds to the luxury feel. The dashboard is dominated by a curved panoramic display that integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium Meridian sound system that delivers an immersive audio experience. The Kia K8 also prioritizes safety with a range of advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning ensure a secure driving experience. The car also includes a surround view camera system, helping with parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. The smart cruise control with highway driving assist enhances convenience on long journeys by maintaining a set distance from vehicles ahead while staying centered in the lane. Another highlight of the Kia K8 is its ride quality. The suspension system is designed to provide a smooth and comfortable drive, even on rough roads. The noise insulation inside the cabin ensures a quiet ride, making it perfect for long-distance travel. The steering is responsive, and the overall driving dynamics are well balanced, making the car both fun and comfortable to drive. The Kia K8 is also equipped with smart technology, including a heads-up display that projects key information onto the windshield, reducing distractions, wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a digital key system add to the convenience. The car also features an advanced climate control system that automatically adjusts temperature settings to provide optimal comfort. Fuel efficiency varies depending on the engine choice. The base 2.5-litre engine offers decent mileage, while the hybrid variant provides the best fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for those looking to save on fuel costs. The V6 engine, while more powerful, is slightly less fuel efficient but makes up for it with its performance. Overall, the 2024 Korean Kia K8 is an excellent choice for those looking for a luxurious and feature-packed sedan. It offers a great combination of style, comfort, technology, and safety while maintaining an affordable price compared to some high-end European competitors. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver or a stylish vehicle for long trips, the Kia K8 stands out as a strong contender in the luxury sedan segment. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with the latest car reviews and news.